As a filmmaker, one of the most important roles that I have is to keep everyone on the same page and for them to know what is happening. And when it comes to filming, one of the tools that is truly beneficial and has been for me is a floor plan, okay? And this is something that you create in pre-production that you then bring into production. And so what you're looking at, if you're watching the video side of this, is one of the sample floor plans from my latest project, right? And it's very basic and things like that. Now, it even started off more basic than this, where I literally just on paper drew some chicken scratches and sent it to, luckily I have part of our crew, Jonathan Moulton, who is a great graphics person, and took that. And while he didn't go into full-on detail and stuff like that, certainly made it much more presentable and understandable. And with a floor plan, you're literally getting a bird's eye view of what the hell is happening within a scene. Now, you can kind of take that, on any number of levels. You can also add where the camera could go. You can add lighting grids and things like that. That wasn't necessarily important for us because the scenes that we were shooting, because it was a proof of concept, we were just shooting one angle, one shot, usually per scene. We already had that, drafted in the storyboard. So, it was very easy to figure that out and so forth. So we didn't need to do that for this project, but you can do that. And what's great about the day and age that we live in is you can just kind of stack all those on top of each other, and it's all layers, right? So if you just need to see what the actors themselves are doing, you could see that. If you need to see the rest of the stuff, you can do that, right? You can break it down however you ultimately want, but a floor plan is available to you in that way to really, as I said, get on the same page. I mean, imagine the highway chase from The Matrix Reloaded, right? So much planning went into that, right? Especially when a scene is very action-driven. You want people to know what the hell is happening so they can do their best work. And so, having a floor plan in that respect gets people on that same page, right? So here's just kind of a couple more. Again, ours is very rudimentary, right? But it sufficed to get the job done, to make people understand of like, oh, okay, this is what you're going for. This is what's happening in that scene. This is how everyone's placed. Cool, I got it, right? So, in terms of right, wrong, it's whatever works for you in that capacity, but it is a wonderful, wonderful tool. And so I just wanted to kind of give you a preliminary, kind of knowledge of it all. As always, you can ask more questions down in the comments section, or how you utilize it, right? Like, the differences and similarities that you might approach to floor plans. I would love to hear that from you, and I would love to respond as well in the comment section. So thank you as always for taking the time to tune in. I hope this is helpful, and I appreciate you, and hope to see you next time.